Hi. So, this is my second time using Rich's Plumbing in my home. And last night I had an emergency where my water heater sprung a leak. And that caused my basement to flood. So, in a panic, I called Rich's Plumbing, and within an hour at most, one of the service technicians showed up, shut down the water heater. Also, he assured me that they would be here in the morning to install the new heater. Again, I have to say that the experience was terrific, and I will definitely always call and speak very, very highly of Rich's Plumbing to anyone that needs services in my neighborhood.